Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Auckland International School, UKG. Myself, Bada Tej, from Auckland International School, UKG. Now we are going to say about different body parts and its functions. Anshita, can you say one example and its functions? We have we have two hands. Eat with a hand, write with a hand. It is just stomach. Stored semi food. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You have two legs. You walk with our legs. You run with our legs. You jump with our legs. You dance with our legs. This earth is the store fact. Thank you. Thank you.